my name is Sean, and I want to share how Almahdi's Airbnb course completely transformed my life. Before this, I had no experience in real estate and had tried several other business ventures that did not work. I kept hearing about Airbnb being this massive opportunity, but was hesitant to dive in. Most courses I'd taken in the past offered little support, and I always felt stuck when questions came up. When I found Almahdi's course, I decided to give it a shot, and I'm so glad that I did. Right from the start, I could see that this was different. Almahdi breaks down everything step by step in a way that's easy to understand, even for someone like me with zero real estate knowledge and background. He covers everything you need, from finding properties to optimizing revenue, and his support is unmatched. Unlike other courses I've taken in the past, Almahdi was there to answer all of my questions and guide me wherever I needed help. That made a huge difference in my confidence starting out. Thanks to his course, I secured my first property in just 2 weeks and was profitable with my first property, bringing in just over $5,000. And 2 weeks afterwards, I had already earned $8,500 in bookings. The best part, my income has only grown since then, and most importantly, I have the freedom I was always looking for. I'm able to travel, spend more time with family, and focus on scaling my business and keep it growing. I've taken many courses in the past, but none came close to what Almahdi offers. He's incredibly knowledgeable, and you can tell he genuinely cares about you and every student's success. This course is packed with value and gave me everything that I needed to launch and scale my Airbnb business quickly. If you are on the fence, don't be. Almahdi is the real deal, and it's the best investment that I could have ever made. My life has completely changed, and I couldn't be more excited about the future, and yours as well. Almahdi, thank you for what you have done for me, and are continuing to do for everybody out there. Much respect, bro. Thanks.